What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you complain. Don't say that. Sipping wine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shady Shay, and baby, I'm back with another hair tutorial, another wash and go. But first, let me just tell y'all this. I do apologize about the quality of this video. I decided to use an old camera of mine that I haven't used in a few years, and honey, I promise y'all, I cleaned the lens. I cleaned it about 3 times, and child, this is what I'm left with. So I'm a little irritated about it, but we're gonna keep on keeping on, okay? All right, guys, so we're starting out with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. Very, very important that you do not skip deep conditioning. Do that every week. And then I'm gonna go in with Pantene Hydrating Butter Creme. This is their Gold Series, the best moisturizing hair product ever. I promise, guys. I might just do a video on this alone. So the star of the show today is the Doux Big Poppa Defining Gel. I love it when you call me Big Poppa. Anywho, that's what we're reviewing today. So I'm just showing y'all the consistency of the gel. Doesn't smell that good, but once you put it on your hair, you don't smell it at all. I went in with, what's that, like a quarter size amount of defining gel, and you want to make sure you get your roots. If this is your first time here, hey sis, hey bro, we get our roots over here. We sure do. You want to make sure you get your roots really, really good before you start to apply the product down the shaft of your hair. That's just my technique. That's what works for me. I would hope that it will work for you. If not, do what works for your hair type, okay? Do what works for your hair type. All right, y'all, so I'm going to speed this video up a little bit because, child, I'm too mad about the quality, and I don't want y'all to be sitting here suffering the whole time, okay? So, again, this is just me going in, layering the Pantene moisturizer, and then going on top of it with Big Poppa. So let's talk about this product a little bit. It claims that there's no need to layer it. I did layer it anyway because I didn't see it until just now. But it claims it has moisture in it. It's a built-in conditioner, softens hair with touchable curls with no crunch or flaking. So my hair definitely does not have a crunch. I actually like that. It claims to work with wash and goes, twists, braids, finger waves. Finger waves? Girl, it claims to work with finger waves, and it claims to work for all curl types. So if you're 3A, 3B, 3C, A1, 2, 5, Z2, Z5, ZX, I don't freaking know. It works for all hair types. At least that's what it claims. So I went ahead and took a little break, and I did my makeup, as y'all can tell. I actually recorded this look. I don't even know if I'm gonna put that look out because the quality is gonna be just like this video, real dirty looking. I just can't believe this camera look like this. But anywho, y'all, enough of that, okay? Just enough of that. I'm blow drying my hair. You do have the option to just air dry. You do not have to blow dry. When you air dry your hair actually lasts longer, okay? But me, I'm too thirsty for the finished product, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it, which is what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm making sure that I'm blow drying my hair on medium high because I don't want to get heat damage, okay? I just don't. So that's a tip for y'all. Blow drying your hair can cause heat damage, especially if you don't know what you're doing. And I may or may not know what I'm doing, okay? So yeah, this is what my hair looks like when it's dry. And now I'm going in with my olive oil glossing hair polisher. Because one thing about me, I love for my curls to shine. Baby, I want you to shine. If you don't do nothing else, I need my hair shining. So I've been loving that product so far. I've been using it about a month now, and I've been loving it. Now, if you're new here, I love volume. Yeah, so I'm going in and I'm picking my hair. Make sure you don't take that comb all the way through. Just pick your roots if you just want volume. Because if you comb it all the way through, then child, your hair is just going to be ruined. That's all your curls is just not going to be right. And this is pretty much the finished look. Thoughts on this product? I really, really, really like this product. I love the fact that it does not have a crunch. Nothing is worse than walking around with some crunchy hair. Baby, no, not me. So I do love that. It did claim to define my curls, and it definitely did that. I give it that. I'm interested to see how long that this will last. Like, how long will my hair hold up? I'm thinking about 4 days, but we gonna see, and I have to come back and give y'all an update and let y'all know. Also, let me know if y'all want me to review some more products from this hairline, because I do know that they got a mousse that I got my eye on that I think I want to try. And also let me know if y'all want this makeup look. Just know that this makeup look, the quality will look just like this video, a little trash, but at least y'all will get the makeup look. Alright y'all, that's the end of today's video. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. Alright, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.